In this video, I'll show you how to check whether your laptop is using a solid-state drive, SSD, or a hard disk drive, HDD. So let's get started. First, we will open the Run dialog box. On the bottom of your screen, click on the Windows search bar and type Run. Or you can also press Windows logo key +R on your keyboard. Once it opens, type the following command, dfrgui, and press Enter. The Optimize Drives window will open. Look for the Media Type column. Here you'll see the type of storage installed in your laptop. In this example, it shows solid-state drive, which means the laptop is using an SSD. If your laptop has a traditional hard drive, the media type will display hard disk drive instead, like I'm showing you on screen. And that's it. This is one of the quickest and easiest ways to check whether your laptop has an SSD or an HDD without installing any third-party software. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials.